Hello, this is Quentin Almendarez with the assignment 2, module 2. And I'm using a recording because my screenshots do not work on this computer. I should have this fixed by next week. So, as you see here, I ran the tar file. Oh, I made a mistake right there. Sorry. This is where I correctly ran it. Just made a simple typo up there. Didn't catch it. And you see all of these. I can slow that down. There's another video with all these files in the assignment. And then here's the pwd command, ls command, and then here's me adding new directories in ls. And then I messed up right here, but I figured it out later down here. LSCS105 module 2 material/unicorn. I found the unicorn JPEG and ran that. And then pot of gold. Where did I get it right? I got it right. I had to run CD asset rainbow. Oh, sorry. I had to run ls and then found new directory unicorn, and then CD assets rainbow, and then pot of gold in the new directory. And that is my assignment 2.